In today's video, I will walk you through how to create a project in Claude.ai. First, open Claude in your browser and sign in at Claude.ai. On the left side of the screen, look for the Projects tab in the sidebar. You can also navigate directly to the Claude.ai Projects page. Once you're on the Projects page, click the button labeled New Project. You'll usually find this button in the top right corner. This opens a window or panel where you can set up the project. Next, give your project a clear and descriptive name. Use keywords that will make the project easy to find later, such as the client, topic, or intended outcome. You can also add a description if you want to. Enter a short summary of the project, including the scope or goals you want to keep in mind. You can also include timelines, links, or other details that help you and your teammates stay aligned. If your account is on a team or enterprise plan, you may see a visibility setting. Use this setting to choose whether the project is private to you or shared with others in your organization. Select Private if you want the project to be available only to you. Select Shared if other people in your organization will contribute prompts, review outputs, or add notes. Choose the option that matches how you plan to use the project. You can adjust the visibility setting later if your needs change. Once you've entered the project details and selected the appropriate visibility, create the project and open it. Inside the project, start new chats within the project instead of using the general chat area. To do this, create a new chat from inside the project and begin your conversation there. Keep related conversations inside the same project. For example, you can use separate chats for research outlines and final drafts while keeping them within the same project. This keeps the conversations organized and connected. If another topic needs its own conversation, create another chat inside the project instead of starting the conversation somewhere else. Continue using the project for related work so the conversations remain together. When you're finished setting everything up, check that the project has the name you want, the correct description if you added one, and the appropriate visibility setting. You can then continue creating new chats within the project as needed. Keep related conversations together inside the project and use separate chats when you need different threads for different parts of the work. That's it. You've created a project in Claude.ai, given it a clear name, added the project details, selected the visibility setting when available, and started working within the project. From here, continue creating chats inside the project and keep related work together in the same place. Thanks for watching, and happy building in Claude.ai.